afternoon, everyone. How we doing? Y'all good? Yeah. How you doing, Xander's in the building. What up, Xander? How you doing, bro? All right. Let's get started here, gang. We have a FOMC press conference here ahead of us. The day we've all been waiting for. Give me 1 second here. Give me 1 second. Alrighty, what up? How we doing? I see you guys. Get some W's in the chat here. Let's get rolling. Let's get rolling here. Good to see you all. Some of you guys are back here today. How many people we got here? Let's check it out. Where's the live session? Oh, 861 people. Welcome, welcome everybody. We're going to be trading FOMC here today, or at least looking to take trades. So we'll see what happens. Right now I have my charts marked up. They are already good to go. We can go over some of this in a minute. Let's just see how this candle closes here. We should have all the boys coming in here in just a moment. Where's Zoom at? Everyone. Let me stop sharing real quick. I forgot to. I'm like, where's all the Zoomers at, man? Okay. Got him in the waiting room. All right, y'all should be good. Admit all. All right, cool. Everybody on Zoom should be coming in here now. There they go.
What's going on, chat?
There they go. Oh, all right, we got some
Oh,
work
hold on,
here.
hold on. I gotta get my background.
Hey, yo!
Oh.
Coming live from the New York Stock Exchange.
Coming live from the NASDAQ.
Hold
Hey,
on, hold on.
yeah.
My bad. Let me fix the, they can't see you guys yet. 1 second. Where are we at? Zoom. Okay. Alrighty, chat. Everybody on Zoom is coming in here today. And listen, today's the day. Today is the day that you've all been waiting for, right? Today, we are all eyes on the Federal Reserve and Chairman Jerome Powell, set to announce the central bank monetary policy here, making a decision at 2 p.m., followed up by a meeting with Powell to testify on the current state of the economy. We have our senior reporter, Sam, joining us here from Pittsburgh on top of all this. Hey, Sam, what are some things we could expect today during this meeting? Let's bring him in.
Hey.
Let's go live from Pittsburgh. Hold on a minute. Let's get you in here, Sam. And there he is. Jose, we also have live from sunny Florida here.
Hey, so thanks for kicking things off for us here today, Nick. You know, after a slight pause in June, it seems that the Fed is looking to raise the rates here today. You know, another quarter percentage point. And, you know, maybe possibly keeping the door open for another chance to raise them again in September. The Fed fund futures are pricing at a 99.8% chance of the Fed raising rates today. And if this happens, this would mark the Federal Reserve's 11th rate hike in nearly a year and a half. We would see the benchmark interest rate increase today from 5.25 to 5.50, the highest interest rates we have seen in 22 years. We'll now move to our senior reporter, Jose, joining us from the Sunshine State here today. Oh, Jose, now that we have a basis on what to expect here today at 2 p.m., what are some of the things that you think Chairman Powell might address today at the press conference?
Jose,
Hey, what's
you're
up?
live.
How's it going, Sam, Nick? So I think another reason we're going to have a chance at 2 or more rate hikes for the second half of the year is based on higher expectations for the core inflation. If the Fed now expects inflation to be closer to 4%, up from 3.6 previously forecasted, that's nearly still double of the Fed's goal of 2%. I believe at this point we have covered all bases, though I can give the spotlight back to Nick so he can give us a beautiful technical analysis and to see how we can capitalize off some trades today.
Alrighty, Jose. Well, thank you guys for coming at us here today. Yo, you guys got it right there. I hope you took notes on that. I hope you guys took notes, man. I hope you took notes. So it looks like some news came out here. Let's go take a look at how that looked. I'm sure it lines up perfectly with the forecast from Sam and Jose here today. Let's take a look. All right. Forex Factory. Here we go. All right, I'm messing with y'all. All right, let's see. Let's take a look at what happened here. All right. So what do we got here? Oh, right around the same exact percentage here. Hold on, where'd you guys go? Let me get you guys up here. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Perfect. All right. Do you guys want to give us a little recap of what just went down? All this spiky here, spiky there.
Alrighty, yeah, that'll be my pleasure, Nick. So, if you want to head over to where we have the folder that says federal funds rate.
Federal funds rate. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look.
So it actually looks like, if you scroll up for us, that the Fed did go through with that 25% or 25 basis point rate hike. You know, it is 3 minutes after 2 o'clock, so you know that was supposed to come out at 2 p.m. So it looks like our prediction here was right on the charts. So you know, we're just gonna settle down and let price action do its thing and wait for our plan to execute upon all this volume we're gonna see here in the markets today.
Yeah, definitely.
Powell has some speaking opportunity here in 30 minutes, so we'll see what he has to say about that as well. But as retail traders, I think our best option right now is to just sit patient and wait.
Oh yeah, that's what it's looking like to me, right? So what we're gonna be doing here, chat, is hopefully you guys got a kick out of that. But hey, the numbers were spot on, right? That was Sam's prediction. We sauced it up a little bit for you guys, but this is what we're looking at here today, right? We have clean range above and below. If price does want to push up here, we should close above 1973, and we'll look to take our buys. There's a lot of clean traffic coming up, especially off of the 1 hour time frame, right? Nice clean move that we could take advantage of. And then if we are looking at sells here today, it's either going to be off the 30-minute time frame below this support, or we'll wait, we'll wait for that support down there. I don't think we're going to wait on this one. There's been a lot of rejection here. I think our next opportunity for sells are going to be below these lows here, and we'll take advantage of all that clean traffic coming down to like 1952. So that's what we're looking at here today, gang. Now we just wait patiently.
Yes, sir. We don't have to. We're all good now.
We're all good.
Normal stream.
Tell them.
But this is the thing, gang, as well. So it's one thing that we did see the rate increase, right? Look, gold drove down initially, and now it's coming up. All we can do is stay patient here, and just follow price action, right? Because at the end, that's all we can use anyways, right? In order to manage our trade, find our entry. So just wait on it.
Yeah, I mean, listen, at the end of the day, it's news, but nothing changes for us, right? We understand that it will be a lot of volume, but at the end of the day, we're just going to sit tight. We're going to wait for our playbook setups to come about, and if they do, just like any other day, we'll take our positions, and if not, we just smile and watch the volume go. Very simple. Yeah, let's take a look at US30 here as well, because we're going to be keeping our eye on US30 here also. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour close bullish. Very nice. We should be good to continue pushing up here on US30 here today. So, yeah, let's see if we can get a support formed on the 30-minute time frame. Oh, looks like we got that. Yeah, let's see how this candle closes. If we can close above this level here, then very high chance we will continue up to fill the wick and then probably continue up even higher here. Yeah, Daly's got a move ahead of it. Oh yeah. Yeah, Daly's got range here. Daly's got range. We'll see what happens. I like the suits, by the way, boys. Looking good. Looking real good.
You.
And them boys looking sharp or what, chat? They looking sharp or what? Yeah.
Gave me a reason to dress up.
He
I jumped on it.
Jose really pulled out the New York.
That's what I was aiming
suit.
for.
Yeah, he did. Hit with the red tie with the. I like this one. It fits me good. So I was like, we're gonna put this one on.
That guy TK. Well, of course we're legit.
Yeah, man, totally legit stock traders. We got degrees and certifications and all that. No. We don't have any of that. What we are saying is in no way, shape, or form financial advice.
Good boys.
Y'all ready for the show?
Johnny boy.
Hey, Johnny Boy's in the building.
Yo, boys, you looking good with them suits.
No, I need to see you and yours, bro.
Yo, bro.
That boy didn't bring any suits to Florida.
I did not have a
Yeah,
suit.
I figured. I didn't even think about that. I was like, bah.
I was just out. I was hot as heck. Like, damn.
Hey, Wani Boy is in the building. Z Gamer's in the house. What up? Hey, shout out to Z Gamer. Hey, can we get a W in the chat for Z Gamer?
Yeah,
Oh,
my
you-
man. Z Gamer.
What's up, chat?
My man. There you go. W's in the chat for Z Gamer. He's a loyal one.
Hey. W gamer.
Doop, 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 doop. There they go. Shout out to Z Gamer. Z Gamer, we appreciate you, man. Everyone on Zoom, y'all good? Sam.
Yes, sir.
Sam and Jose. Yes, sir.
I'm about to take this off, bro. It's getting hot.
Board of directors right there.
Bro, I love that.
We Gamer for
Board of
president.
directors, baby.
Nick will be like Raja in 10 years. Yes, sir. Hey, Raja's garage now is looking clean, man. Clean.
Suit top, hoop, shorts on the bottom. You might be right, bro. You might be right.
Hey, he's up
That's
to
that.
something.
That's that post-COVID suit and tie attire.
Yeah, it is.
What did Raja do? Take a look.
You guys think
How
that
many
losing is
bullets,
the end of the
bro? I
world?
gotta
It's
take it off
not.
sometime.
Look, look.
It's not the end of the world. You don't die if you lose trades.
Oh, perfect timing
Like,
here
there's
to listen to the
there's
GOAT chat, because y'all were
there's much more
quaking
to
earlier.
life than just losing a trade. Like getting in an accident, it's worse
Come on,
than
chat.
losing the trade.
There's a message for y'all right here.
Getting in an accident, it's way worse than losing the trade.
Y'all
Getting
were quaking.
divorced.
Hey, go
and
spam
losing your
Raja.
house.
Raja with a
is
W
worse
on
than
his
losing a
on his
trade,
live
you know?
stream today.
So, I mean, okay. So here's how I'm gonna manage risk on this, right? If price goes back above this entry I have, the previous one, like around 1970, like if price comes back above like 1971.50, I'm gonna close the trade, and then I'm gonna wait for FOMC. Like if we come above 1971.50, I'm gonna close the trade. I'm gonna close everything. But up until then, I'm gonna leave it as it is.
Dude, he's got some crazy slow mode on, bro. I can't spam
I
it.
know, I can't either.
I was
still
wondering
waiting
why my
for the
Share
message
your
was going.
screen.
I was going.
can't. I'm trying to.
Spam him up,
I can't share
Waja,
my
Waja.
screen. Yeah, I can't. I'll have to end the screen. Yeah, let me end.
His computer's quaking, bro.
Yo, you guys are great, bro.
I guess I'll have to
That's awesome.
redo the Zoom meeting for my Slack members, right?
He's a goat.
All right, here am I in the corner right there.
Hey, chat, we got to get his attention here. We got to
And,
spam him up.
let's do this.
Put Waja TTE. Waja TTE. Waja Wings. Yo, chat, we're owning the chat right now here.
Okay.
Heard.
Look at.
There's a streamer watching you
He's
stream.
gonna notice. Look at. He's gonna know.
ICT is live. Who cares,
Did the
man? The
stream
man
get rated? Yes,
doesn't
it
even
did.
take a trade live anyway.
Ray just
Who
figured it
cares?
out.
No one
There he goes. Look.
Yo, Raja's the goat. Raja's the goat.
If you trade on demeanor markets,
How is he not
Raja will
seeing
gamble your money away. Raja will gamble your money away. Raja's gambling his own money away.
Oh man.
Yeah, you're
Hey,
awesome.
let's keep getting his attention.
All
We're gonna
your
get his
positions
attention
are
here.
L. Oh, that's okay. All right. So we're just gonna, you know, like. So here's what I'm gonna do, right? If we come above 1971.50, I'm gonna close my trade.
There's no way he does not see this, bro.
React to this around the press conference. But looking at the 15-minute
Hey, Fran,
time
what up,
frame,
Fran?
for price to really push down, this bullish candle has to close below this area right here.
His chat.
You see
Oh
this?
man.
This resistance, it needs to close below this area. If we close below this area, you can go full margin sells, and we're going to continue pushing down towards.
How many members you got on Slack? Someone said.
That's
Look at. Look at. There he goes.
continue pushing down to 1965.
Yo,
65.
Oh, Micah.
1965.
Yo.
I just gotta wait a little bit. But above 1971.50.
Not a
it's
chance he
time to
doesn't
close
see
the
this.
trades. Time to close the trades
got
from
it.
1971.60.
Watch out.
60 or 50 doesn't really matter, but you know, you get the idea because you gotta manage risk.
We
You have to
watching the
manage
goat,
risk.
man. We
Managing
watching the
risk
goat.
is the most important aspect of trading.
You hear that?
You should be named Raja Gamble. Raja Gambles, not Raja Gamble. Put an S.
Bro, where,
Put an S
what?
after the gamble. Raja Gambles. I actually wanna. I'm actually gonna order some KFC after this. Some
KFC.
late night delight.
KFC in Dubai.
Have you guys
Easy,
had
no.
one of those
Nah,
chocolate
there's no way he
lava
don't see that.
cakes that are
Not a
made
chance.
at Domino's,
Nah, I don't know.
right? Chocolate lava cakes that they make at Domino's.
This man's on the internet right now.
Chocolate lava cake, right? Oh,
This guy's a
yeah,
goat,
they're
man.
So good. These ones right here.
I'm watching y'all in
They're
his chat.
So good, man. Oof.
Lava
I
cakes.
can. I've had like 4 of these at one time.
He's reading Zoom chat.
They are
Yeah, I know.
so good.
He's reading the Zoom chat.
Domino's chocolate lava cakes, the best lava cakes in the world. They're the best. Hey, hey, Joel, Kervin's cousin.
Yeah, he's reading
How
the
are you?
Zoom chat right now.
So yeah, you know, like I mean, the 15-minute candle is about to close in about 20 seconds.
Lava cakes, baby.
oh,
Yeah. So you know, above
You hear
1971.50.
him? Candle, wait,
I'm
gotta
gonna
wait for the candle to
close.
close, all that good stuff, right?
It's a margin call at that point anyway.
That's what the
because
legends
it's
do, man.
It's 100 to 1 leverage. But
Hey,
yeah,
once he
see, so we
notices,
closed
you gotta
below this
raid the
area.
chat.
Now, no matter how far
He
this
ain't
candle
gonna.
pushes, it's
He's
gonna
not gonna
leave a
pay
wick,
attention.
and then it's gonna continue pushing down. And let me demonstrate that
No.
right over here, right? So it's a 10-cent lot. I'm gonna take a sell. Boom. Now you're gonna
Oh,
notice
look, nothing happened here.
price is just gonna leave a wick and continue
All right,
pushing
I don't
down.
know. I don't know. He must
It's
not
just
be looking
moving
at
up
it.
to leave a wick.
I think
That's
he's
all
looking
it's
at it.
doing. The fastest execution speeds you can ever experience is on
Why is this so
Dominion.
fun?
Yo.
Yeah, we do it different at
The
TT.
fastest execution speeds. So
Yo, show respect to Raja. That's the goat.
The goat.
oh,
I think gold will come down. It's not you think. When you think, you can't execute.
Yo.
You can't say I think price is
I
gonna
think-
come down.
see?
should say,
You hear
oh,
him?
Man, I know price is gonna come
Mm.
down, but this is where I'm gonna get out of the trade.
This is
You
goat
should
talk.
always have that. You know, you should always have that okay, I know price is gonna come down, but what am I gonna do if price does not come down? You know, so around 1971.50.
Shiro and Shad in the building.
Because gotta manage risk.
Hey.
Yeah, you gotta manage risk. Are you coming by yourself to Dubai Expo? Yes, I'm gonna be at the Dubai Expo for
All right. We're gonna leave him alone. We're gonna leave him alone now.
3 days. I'm gonna go. 1 minute is bullish. Who the fuck
Hit
cares
it.
about 1 minute, man? Bro, are you a 1 minute man, or are you the 30-minute man, or the 15-minute
Yo.
man?
I love this guy, bro.
1 minute is.
All right, let's
bullish,
spam him one more
bro.
time, and then we'll get up
Bro,
out of
1
there.
minute is bullish, man. No one cares about 1 minute.
Nick opened your stream.
So. Yeah, you just gotta patiently wait now. I mean, if you just sit like this. If you
Hey, we
sit
gotta
like
get
this,
we gotta get
just-
Green the mod, Green to be a
Wait.
mod on his stream.
Money's just gonna fall in your
It's the
lap.
last one we're missing.
That's it. I can
The
just
final,
sit right here and I can easily make
Infinity
like
Stone.
6,000-7,000.
These
and
two
money's
feel like
gonna
Thanos
fall in your
Gauntlet.
lap.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
at the same
Green
time,
for mod.
I know when to manage risk. That's the most important part. And my stop loss is going to be around 1971.
All right. Let's. Oh.
That is
Oh.
my stop. And you want to know why that's my stop? I'll tell you why. Let's move over to the 5-minute time frame
Nick opened your
because
stream.
it's above
Green for mod.
these candles.
Someone
why.
say that.
Watch I lift my hands.
Right there.
Oh man.
You got to manage risk. Managing risk is the key.
How's your testosterone
profitability.
level? Yo, these people are funny, man.
Managing risk is the key to profit. Right now, I'm in 170. Well, you know, it's just hovering at break even over here. Raja, how's your testosterone level? You haven't talked about it.
Nah. He's ignoring it. All right, we out of here.
Talk about my testosterone
Let's
level
get out of here.
because
Let's stop
it
bugging
keeps
him.
getting more and more every day when I wake up. What's the most you've spent
He's
on
funny.
weed? I stopped spending on weed since
Oh,
2019.
man.
People
That's
just
hilarious.
would just
He's capping with what
Give
he
it to
just
me.
said.
so I stopped spending. I stopped spending money on it. Yeah. So like just gonna wait over. Can you explain why you said if it
All
closes under the other line it's a sell?
All right, cool.
Because it's resistance right here, right? You see this resistance?
The goat over
So
and
this
out.
bullish candle. Okay.
Over and out. Man down, man down. All units fall back, retreat,
Retreat. Yeah.
retreat. Raja Colt is insane. Yeah, back to business. Because we do have a 30-minute closure coming up here in about 10 minutes. So, yeah, these are the levels we're waiting on here. So, pretty much, we could take buys above this resistance up here. That'll be very, very clean. That'll also be breaking the daily highs as well. 4-hour highs as well, right? This is the same level that price was flirting around with earlier that we were trying to execute on. So, if we do get closures above, we have very, very clean traffic to take advantage of here today. So, yeah, you guys remember this is our daily target up here, right? 1985, 1986. This is what we talked about early this morning. And we should be able to get the push here at some point this afternoon. Now, will we be able to get entries in? That is up to the markets. But are we here waiting, ready to go? Yep. As you all know, we are negotiators, right? And we are negotiating a deal, and if that deal can go through, we will be in. But if not, then we'll just watch, right? We'll watch and wait for a better deal. What broker do we use? I use Traders Global here with my Forex funds. Yeah. Lovely. Lovely. So how y'all doing? Everybody doing good? A lot of emotion earlier for like a 10 pip trade, right? I mean, as you can see, break even was hit. Some of you guys took the full loss, which was like 10 or 12 pips. And man, you guys I really enjoyed that stream. I really enjoyed that all that happened because some of you guys who have been in the game for a little bit now are now learning. And you guys, what you guys are learning is that you're learning how to be emotionally intelligent and not get too crazy in your psychology. So I think it was good for everybody to see what the losing mentality looks like, because then you can understand how far in this journey you have actually come, right? Because now you understand that losses are a part of this game, that nothing is ever guaranteed in trading. And at the end of the day, whether you're on a live stream, whether you are taking signals, you have to still be responsible for what it is that you're doing, right? You're entering the trade, you're exiting the trade, right? So make sure that you are paying attention. You know, a lot of times people just kind of don't pay attention. All of a sudden we get in a trade and you don't know what's going on. You know, half the time you guys are saying, where's the tape T? Where's the stop loss? And it's like, dude, we just spoke about everything. So clearly you weren't paying attention. So clearly there's people that come in here just to make money. And that's why you're mad when you lose money, because you're here to make money. See, the winners, the real ones, are here to learn the craft. The real ones are here to become professionals and win championships for their family. They're not here to just get a quick buck. They're not here to just, you know, try and make some money off of a move, right? Jumping, stream hopping, whatever, you know, coming trying to look for money to be made. Because if that's the only reason you're here, then when you lose money, you're going to be mad, right? You're going to be very mad. And you have to get past all the money stuff at the end of the day, right? I want to work. I don't even want those people here anyway. So if they took a loss and they can't learn the lesson, let's get them out of here, right? We want to work with the winners. We want to work with the people that are committed, that say, hey, I'm not just looking for a handout. I appreciate the stream. I appreciate you're here to teach us, man, to trade live in front of us and help us throughout this emotional roller coaster, right? Those are the people I'm looking to pour into. Those are the people that I'm looking to mentor. So if that's you, great job, man. But if you took a loss and you got extremely emotional, I love you. My name is Nick and I am your friend. But listen, you really have to tighten up. You really have to get it together. Man to man, you know, to be, or, you know, are you a man or a woman, or are you a child, right? You got to know what you're in here. You're in the industry where we trade, right? And no trade is ever guaranteed to win. On any single trade, you could take a win or a loss. It doesn't matter if it's a 92% win rate. It doesn't matter if the last 25 trades on this position you took a win. You could still lose that next trade, and you got to be prepared for that, gang. You got to be prepared for it, and it's all about maturity. Everything changed in my trading when I started taking responsibility and I started being mature about this stuff, right? So I love you. You know, I want to see you win, but you got to tighten up. Got to tighten up.
Preach.
Yeah, and if I could add something to that, Nick.
Yeah.
Yeah, because, you know, I've just been learning this strategy. I think I started with you, what was it, January, February?
Yeah.
And I went through those same mistakes. I mean, I remember when I got slipped and I texted you and I'm like, hey, you know, like inaccurate numbers and I got slipped and I took a loss. Or the same thing, you know, I set a percentage loss instead of a lot size, a fixed lot size. I went through all these things, but I remember you told me once, you're like, you got to look at this thing long term. And when I met Don too, that was one of the things he said when I told him about a loss. He's like, you can't let one of the like one trade break you or one trade make you. And I think if people started looking at it that way and taking some knowledge out of every losing situation, I think that would change the way you look at these losses. At least that's what changed for me.
Hey,
Yeah. No, I love that.
Funny.
I love that. It's about learning. It's about growth, right? We talked about this. You can't jump up and down on a winning trade and then get upset about a losing. That's why you don't see us jump up and down when we take wins, right? Because we know that win was random. We executed on our position. That was a W. Whether it's a win or a loss, that's not the W there. The W is that we spotted it, we watched it, we have data on it, and we executed on it. The result is going to be completely random. So that's not where the W or the L comes. The W or the L comes, and I really want you guys to understand this. It comes from either abiding by your plan, sticking to your plan, or breaking it. The result of the trade isn't the outcome that you need to be worried about or thinking about. It's, hey, did I execute precisely on what I know works in the market? If that's a yes, it does not matter whether you won or lost that trade. That is completely out of your hands, right? That's a W right there. And if you didn't and you jumped the gun, that is a loss. I don't care if you won the trade. If you broke your plan, you lost that day. Yes, you're going to get it monetarily in your finances, okay. But will that, like Jose said, will that last you long term? right? That's the question you need to be asking yourself if you're looking to do this for real, right? If you're looking to do this full time for real and make a serious living out of it. There's a lot of money to be made here, but you got to get that mental framework down pat, and you could do it. You could do it, right? Just got to be willing to be conscious of it and make the changes that are necessary. You dig?
Straight jumps.
Yeah, that's so true though. Like, cause the second you break your plan, cause the plan isn't just for one day, right? Like Nick was just saying, are you trying to do this long term every single day, right? So that's what the plan consists of over a multitude of days. It consists of over a multitude of trades. Your plan isn't defined off of what the outcome of 1 to 2 trades, right? It's over the series of weeks that turn into months, that turn into years, that turn into hundreds of trades and data that you have collected up over time that really give you the edge and the confidence to execute in the markets every single day. So
Yep.
stick to the plan.
100%.
Stick to the plan.
Without emotional intelligence, chat, it's gonna be tough. You're not gonna make it being a trader, because certain situations like this happens, right? We're gonna take losses. We're gonna take more losses in the future. If you're not gonna be able to handle that, you're better off not trading. That's just the sad truth, right? If you want to be a trader long term, you gotta be okay with taking losses. You gotta get comfortable with yourself. You gotta build that muscle in your brain, just being okay with taking losses and thinking about it long term, right? Knowing that there's another trade to come and that you have a winning edge, right? That's why one trade is not going to make you or break you, right? It's just, this is our job, take trades, and when our edge presents itself, that calls for us to do our job as traders. Outcome we can never worry about, right? Because it's random. We put in the hand of probabilities, and that's how we do it. Right?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, I was thinking about this too earlier. You just gotta learn to accept defeat. Like, I know some of you in here play poker. It's just like, say the flop comes out, first 3 cards, they're all spades, right? But you get like a 2 pair off of that. Like, say it's like queen 8 6, you hit queen 8, highest 2 pair on the board. But then say you raise the entire pot, but then someone check raises you for even more, right? And so at that point, you just have to accept, I lost. This guy has to have a way better hand than me if he's gonna raise me for way more than what the pot's even worth. So you just have to accept the defeat and lay it down, right? So I don't know if that might help some people, but like, you know, that's kind of what it is. You just have to understand, accept your L's, roll with them. They're gonna be a part of every single trader's plan. I've never met anybody that has never lost a trade. So that's why you have to, you got to tighten up, and you know, you got to set that risk, and you have to accept it before, you know, you even take the trade. You have to understand every single trade you take, the outcome is, like, you can only control the outcome of every single trade you take, right? You can never control how much you're going to win from the market. The only thing that you can control in trading is how much you're willing to lose. So always keep that in the back of your mind as well.
Yeah, man. I hate to say this too, but don't take it the wrong way, but some of you just soft. Like,
Yeah.
some of you guys are just soft, and I don't think you really know what you got yourself into. But you're going to learn today. You're going to learn today. Nick drinking a juicer, yeah. Yeah, some people are just not built for it. It's simple.
Sad truth about this service, right? Can't accept, if you're gonna be emotional with a trade not going your way, it's not for you. It's not gonna work out long term. You got to be in it long term.
Hey, yo, 5 pip spreads here. Holy. Should we put on Powell? See what he's got to say here? Let's take a look. Be a man. Back on them. Let's see what Jerome is saying here. What time is he coming on?
2:30 he should.
All right, cool.
So See
Yeah,
if
we
I can
should,
find the link to it.
We should start to see volume start dumping, and the spreads are starting to widen here. So
You can gain 42 times.
we should start to get some volume. We're gonna wait as he speaks. It's gonna give direction in the market, and then we're gonna look to take advantage of it.
Dude, it's crazy how many people watch these press conferences since I've ever started watching them. They used to only have like 4,000 people. Now there's 31K. Here, I'm gonna drop the link in the
Sheesh.
just in the YouTube chat.
Are you watching this one?
Federal Reserve.
Yeah. Oh,
Without price stability, the economy
that should be the
doesn't
same thing.
CNBC.
But I'm just on
In
the
particular,
Fed's
without
YouTube
price
channel. The
stability,
Fed has
Oh,
their own
not
YouTube
achieve
channel.
Oh, okay.
sustained
I'll put it
period
in the
of
chat.
Strong labor market conditions.
Yeah. Oh,
like
here.
those.
I'll put it in the Zoom chat so you can find it. Put it in the YouTube chat.
Yeah, we'll watch it here. Fed
Growth
quake.
also appear to be weighing on
Yeah.
business fixed investment.
Let's keep an eye on price here too.
The labor market remains very tight. Over the past 3 months,
He says the same
job
thing every
gains
day.
averaged 244,000 jobs per month.
Yes.
A pace below that seen earlier in the year, but still a strong pace. The unemployment rate remains low at 3.6%. There are some continuing signs that
I mean, going back to what we were saying too, like
Coming into
some of
better
you guys have
balance.
been here for 2 or 3 months and you really didn't see many losses, right? So you have to understand cycle, right? And not every month is going to be 100% winner or a 90% winner, right? Every now and then you may take 2 losses in a row. You may take 3, you know, we're good for what? 2 to 4 losses a month, right? We're pretty much, you can pretty much say, hey, we're good for that any given month out of 20 something trades. So you got to understand, man, this is about cycle, right? And if you have a bad month, you don't start changing everything, right? You don't start second guess yourself. We're not even having a bad month. We're actually having a really good month. But understand that, you know, losses are going to come. They're going to come, man.
in June, the
Simple.
change in the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, came in at 3.0%, and the change in the core CPI was 4.8%. Inflation has moderated somewhat since the middle of last year. Nonetheless, the process of getting inflation back down to 2% has a long way to go. Despite elevated inflation, the longer-term inflation expectations appear to remain well anchored, as reflected in a broad range of surveys of households, businesses, and forecasters, as well as measures from financial markets. The Fed's monetary policy actions are guided by our mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices for the American people. My colleagues and I are acutely aware that high inflation imposes significant hardship as it erodes purchasing power, especially for those least able to meet the higher cost of essentials like food, housing, and transportation. We're highly attentive to the risks that high inflation poses to both sides of our mandate, and we are strongly committed to returning to inflation to our 2% objective. At today's meeting, the committee raised the target range for the federal funds rate by a 1/4 percentage point, bringing the target range to 5.25% to 5.5%. We are also continuing the process of significantly reducing our securities holdings. With today's action, we've raised our policy rate by 5.25 percentage points since early last year. We have been seeing the effects of our policy tightening on demand in the most interest rate sensitive sectors of the economy, particularly housing and investment. It will take time, however, for the full effects of our ongoing monetary restraint to be realized, especially on inflation. In addition, the economy is facing headwinds from tighter credit conditions for households and businesses, which are likely to weigh on economic activity, hiring, and inflation. In determining the extent of additional policy firming that may be appropriate to return inflation to 2% over time, the committee will take into account the cumulative tightening of monetary policy, the lags with which monetary policy affects economic activity and inflation, and economic and financial developments. We will continue to make our decisions meeting by meeting, based on the totality of the incoming data and their implications for the outlook for economic activity and inflation, as well as the balance of risks. We remain committed to bringing inflation back to our 2% goal and to keeping longer-term inflation
Every time he
Looks
starts
good.
talking
well
about
anchored.
inflation, gold starts going
Reducing
flying.
inflation
Yep.
is likely to require a
funny.
period of below-trend growth and some softening of labor market conditions. Restoring price stability is essential to set the stage for achieving maximum employment and stable prices over the longer run. To conclude, We understand that our actions affect communities, families, and businesses across the country. Everything we do is in service to our public mission. We at the Fed will do everything we can to achieve our maximum employment and price stability goals. Thank you, and I look forward to your questions.
Steve.
Mr. Chairman, thank you.
Stop the cap.
I think a couple times in your opening remarks talked about this language in determining the extent of additional policy firming that may be appropriate.
All
Should
right.
we take that
So
and
we
leave
still
that
need to wait for a
additional
closure here.
likely on the way? And should we also believe that all future meetings, say September and November, are live, or are you in a every other meeting mode? Thank you.
So we haven't made a decision to go to every other meeting. It's not something we've looked at. We're going to be going meeting by meeting, and as we go into each meeting, we're going to be asking ourselves the same question. So we haven't made any decisions about
Stop
any
the
future
cap.
meetings, including the pace at which we'd consider hiking. But we're going to be assessing the need for further tightening that may be appropriate. You read the language, to return inflation to 2% over time. I would say that the intermeeting data came in broadly in line with expectations. Economic activity remained resilient. Job creation remained strong while cooling a bit. And the June CPI report actually came in a bit better than expectations for a change. And the June CPI report, of course, was welcome, but it's only one report, 1 month's data. We hope that inflation will follow a lower path it will be consistent with the CPI reading, but we don't know that, and we're just going to need to see more data. So what are we going to be looking at? Really, it will be the whole broader picture, and starting with we're looking for moderate growth, right? We're looking for supply and demand through the economy coming into better balance, including in particular in the labor market. We'll be looking at inflation. We'll be asking ourselves, does this whole collection of data, do we assess it as suggesting that we need to raise rates further? And if we make that conclusion, then we will go ahead and raise rates. So that's how we're thinking about the next meeting.
You hear Powell, guys? He's telling you to just wait on it.
We're thinking about
He's literally telling them to wait on it.
But we're now mainly thinking about the next meeting. I will also say, since we're talking about it, between now and the September meeting, we get 2 more job reports, 2 more CPI reports. I think we have an ECI report coming later this week, which is Employment Compensation Index.
See where that's at, yeah.
Lots of data on economic activity. All of that information is going to inform our decision as we go into that meeting. I would say it is certainly possible that we would raise funds again at the September meeting if the data warranted. And I would also say it's possible that we would choose to hold steady at that meeting. We're going to be making careful assessments, as I said, meeting by
Interesting
meeting.
comment just made there.
And I'll close by saying we've raised the federal funds rate now by 525 basis points since March 2022. Monetary policy, we believe, is restrictive, and it's putting downward pressure on economic
Looking good here.
inflation.
Looking really good.
Just briefly follow up on something you said there. You said the data in the intermediate period
To confirm the direction, we really need a closure above.
with expectations. Does that mean there's unlikely to have been a change in the overwhelming outlook of the committee that 2 more hikes are necessary?
I'm just going to go back to what I said. That's the question. We have 8 weeks now until the September meeting, and all that data that I recited, we're going to be looking at all of that and making that assessment then. And it really, we did have the one good reading, and of course we welcome that, but it's just one reading, as everybody knows. And we've seen this before in the data. Many forecasts call for rates for inflation to remain low, but we just don't know that until we see the data. So we'll be focusing on that.
Thank you. Thanks for taking our questions, Chair Powell. Obviously, you upgraded the language around growth in the statement today.
Alrighty, I think
We've seen
closure above is
quarterly numbers. We've seen
what we're looking for here.
Swift concert.
Would you consider the 15? I will. Yep, I will consider the 15. That's the time frame that we're sitting on right now. We also have another level of resistance right here that we would need to close above, or not, at least not right at. So we'll see what happens there. If not, we'll wait for the 30-minute. Yes, sir. All right. Let's see here. 15. Yep. Let's take a look at US 30 here. Got a lot of room on the daily time frame here. Oh, where'd Jose go? Did he go to get Powell some coffee?
He's like, your water, sir, your water, sir.
All right. Hey, yo, Shiro's in the building. Oh, we dabbing on him. Tell Powell what up, Jose.
This dude just asked the dumbest question. He's like, we seen inflation come down. It's 1 month of data, bro. He's like, we seen it come down, so why are we not pausing them?
All right, let's take a look here.
That's like the same thing as like you guys take one loss and say, the strategy don't work.
Throw out the whole ocean.
Throw it out.
Nah, it's tripping. Ooh. Ooh, love from Pakistan. Pakistan in the building. She's cooking. NASDAQ went off. Let's take a look here. We got a few minutes. Yeah, everything's popping now. Everything popping. Yeah, everything's popping here now. Who's got? Yeah, anybody get in the news trades? Anybody take positions there? Oh, you know what, chat? My bad. I didn't even add the chat here. My bad. Should be good now. What's the plan for gold? We're gonna wait for a closure above this range here. This has been our we've been looking for closures above here since this morning, right? So we're gonna look for a closure above. If we get that, we're gonna take positions and ride this thing up, man, to 1985 here, 1986 today. Swoop doop. Oh, Jose's back. He's back in action. It's after lunch now. That was a quick lunch break, man. They don't give you much time down there in stock exchange, huh?
Yo, I think I just got fired because I went full margin.
Full margin on news?
Yeah, I put $1 million on sell stops and $2 million on buy stops at the same time, and for some reason it hit both.
Oh man, they said, "What are you doing with our money?"
They saw negative drawdown.
All right, 15-minute candle did close. Let's take a look. If we get a bottom wick here, chat, we may be good to take entries. It's going to be on the break of the previous candle highs here. Let's take a look at the spreads. And if not this one, we wait for the 30-minute here. Spreads aren't too bad. You ever take trades off the rip? Nah, I used to do that, but then I would always deal with like drawdown, right? Unnecessary drawdown. So I just stopped doing it. He's back. He's buck. Oh, look at it. There it is. There it is, chat. Going to have buy stops on the break of the highs here. That's our bottom wick. Spreads are not bad at all here. I'm gonna move this up just a smidge bit for spread. But if we break that high, we should be golden. So buy stops on a break of the previous candle high. Looking like 1978. 677. We break that high, we should be gone now. Should be goner. We're looking at about a 40 pip stop. Yeah, 40 pip stops here. Let's see, let's see. If anything, we can always wait for the 30-minute time frame here as well. Yeah, because if the 30 closes above there, then we are chilling. Yeah, we're chilling. Which currency pair is this? This is gold, my friend. Stops may get a little steep here. We may delete this if stops go even further down and wait for the 30-minute here. Yeah, if we start breaking the lows and pushing down, we'll wait. We'll wait for a 30 close above here. So yeah, TP is going to be 1986 here, 1986 even. That's going to be the full target right there. Yeah, we may see a very strong push. 30-minute candle really needs to close above that range though. Everything looks good. We broke 4-hour highs. We have clean traffic all the way up to 1986 here. 1 hour looks very clean. 30-minute a closure would be beautiful. 15 we did close. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete this right now. We're gonna wait for the 30-minute because we're making a steeper bottom wick. We may have a 30-minute celery or a 15-minute celery play, 30-minute breakout on the next 30. I think that's gonna be our best bet here. So delete those for now. Don't worry about stops or anything like that. Delete all that. We're gonna wait here because if this 30 closes above, we're gone. That'll be much extra confirmation there as well. Yeah. Yeah, so let's sit tight for another 12 minutes, 11 minutes here, and we'll let our position come straight to us off the 30-minute time frame. But if you're going to delete, just, be aware that we could break the highs and fly right now. So that's what you're sacrificing by deleting this, right? I'm deleting it. You don't have to delete it. You can leave it, but I'm going to delete mine, and I'm going to wait here. But remember, you are your own trader, so understand what you're doing and make sure you're okay with the outcome. Yeah, better to wait for the 30. Yeah, I think so, David. I think so. I didn't send the signal. I didn't send it in the signals chat. It's not going to be sent. It's deleted already. Yeah, yeah, I'm going to post it in the signals group, but not this one. We deleted. So I'm not going to waste up the space there. Nightbot. This is going to be posted in the signals chat. Yeah, so what we're going to do here on this trade, gang, is we're going to wait for the 30 to close, right? If this 30-minute candle can close anywhere above 1973, this wick fill, we're going to go break even right there at that point. So we're going to look to aim for that wick fill and then the continuation up. I probably won't close any partials until we're right up here in this range. So this will be partials, but this is going to be break even, right? And I'll make sure it's all drawn up so you guys can comprehend everything that is going on here. Don't look at it for now. It's not there. It's not there. Hey, man, what are those yellow lines? Yeah, it looks clean though. Looks very, very clean. Everything is very bullish here. Everything is very, very bullish, right? Weekly time frame is bullish. Daily time frame is bullish. 4-hour time frame is bullish. We broke the highs here, creating support. 1-hour time frame is very bullish. 30-minute time frame is very bullish. 15 is very bullish, right? Here come the 15-minute, this move here. So if you guys didn't delete, this is the move coming up. Yeah, let me delete this because we're really paying attention to this zone down here, especially on the 30-minute time frame. Hunter Biden's not guilty. What in the world? The 10 years bullish. Perfect. Perfecto. Yep, this looks good. 30-minute wick fill. We just got to close above here. If we don't close above here, price may push down, right? So the closure above is going to be our sweet spot here. That's what we're looking to see. We seen this on FOMC about 3 months ago. We were too busy trying to look at this stupid 5-minute chart that we got this small trade off, and the 30-minute was where it was at. So we'll see if we can get the pop on the next 30-minute candle here. How much our stop's going to be there? It depends, right? Depends on the bottom wick that we get here. Whatever we're doing, we're going to be using the current candle because the previous one is way too low, right? So we're going to use current candle stops to plan to fill this wick, go break even, and then probably close partials up here, and then let the full trade run to 1986 here. Simple. It may go up, it may go down, but we will have a good idea in about 6 minutes. But if we do close above here, chat, this is what you will most likely see. You will most likely see a push to the top side. Juicer. Are we in a buy already? You see what I mean? No, we're not in a buy yet. Nope. Yeah, this is the range. This is a very, very important area right here. Right here. Price was flirting with us earlier today too. Remember we had buy stops on the off the 30-minute time frame, and we never got activated and price pushed down, right? So we really need to close above this level here. We got about 4 minutes left on this candle here. It may be a quick push too. It may be a quick push. Just understand that break even is going to be break even is going to be the wick fill, right? 1978, 366. That's break even. So if price hits that level, just understand that that's where I'm going BE. And then at 1981, 683 is where I'll be closing some partials up, right at that resistance up there. Depending on our entry, that should be good to give us about 60 pips. $60 pips. Just wait on it. Oh yeah, this candle's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, I'm glad we deleted anyway. There's our low. That's most likely going to be our stop loss here too. It's going to be about 33 pips, 34 pips. Just wait on it. What do we got? 4 minutes here. Y'all good? 4 minutes. 3 minutes. 2 minutes. Sammy's ready to go over there at the NASDAQ. I'll tell you that. I'd hire him. Sir, can you give me analysis, please? Please.
Sir, it looks like we're waiting for a closure above the level 1970, or yeah, 1973. We get that closure above, you know, there's a very high probability of this chance that gold is going to continue driving up. You know, if we look at our left-hand side, we have clean traffic, as you can see. So, you know, there shouldn't be any problem why price shouldn't be able to make its way up here today.
Not a problem. Yeah, lock it in, chat. Get ready.
Long as we close above.
Get ready. Entry is pretty much going to be the same entry here. Break of the highs. Break of those highs, those previous 15-minute highs here. All right. Candle is closing in 1 minute. 30 seconds. Looks good. Oh. Oh, this thing better close with a top wick.
Yeah, pull back for us a little bit.
Pull back.
Don't be shy.
Yeah, we're gonna need a little bit of a bottom wick here too, chat. I'm not expecting anything crazy, but we're gonna need something. All right, there it is, chat. Setting buy stops here. Make sure you account for spread here. I'm gonna account for spread a little bit, if you guys notice. And if we do break these highs, we should be off to the races now. New 30-minute candle as well. Everything looks pretty clean. Everything looking clean. Sheesh, I might be able to pop a 10 lot actually. All right, we may have to adjust that stop loss here to what is this? 1973.87. 1973.87 is the new stop loss there. Right below that low. That's perfect. Yeah, if we break this high, chat, we're gone. We're gone. Looking good. Bottom wick is good. Respecting the low here on the previous 15 minute. This is no longer break even. Right now, I will probably close partials when I move stops to break even here. Okay, perfect. All right, well, that's a bottom wick. Can we break the highs now? Can we come up and break the highs here? All right, came down, coming back up. What's the entry? The entry is going to be right around 1978, 515. Account for spreads a little bit. Yeah, right around there, right above that previous high there. So, hey, listen, get ready, because when it pushes, it's gonna push. It's gonna push. How much percentage am I risking? 4%. 4%. Powell still talking? Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we break the
Should be
15
finishing up
lows,
here
we
soon.
may delete. But other than that, it looks pretty good on all other time frames here. Again, this could be a quick push too. 48 pip stops. Yeah, I mean, hey, you got to expect that on FOMC, right? You got to expect big stops. There's a lot of volume in the market. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys have traded FOMC before, but you got to expect big stops here. There you go. If it's too big for you, then don't do it. Imagine that. Yeah, imagine you can manage your lot sizes also. You guys see what I did there? I used my brain, right? I went in there and the 10 lots were a little bit too big. So I just used the brain that God gave me. And I went in there and I lowered my lots. See that? Now I'm at 8 lots. Very, very simple. What was the reason for the buy stop? Break of the highs. Break of the highs. We're breaking the 15 lows now, though. So stops are getting pretty steep now. Let's see what happens here. You guys are funny. A little trolling.
Yo, can we get some likes here on the stream though?
Yeah, we got a 1 hour close too, which is clean. Clean, clean, clean. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like, man. Yeah, this is good. This is good. We start creating support on the 5, start pushing up, break that high, we're good to go. Right? 5 never closed below that range either. So you've seen a quick push down to break the 15 lows to stop people out. And now if we create support here, we should continue up. If we close below, then yeah, we'll probably push down even further. Why not the current highs? Because the current highs are not valid. These previous highs are valid because those are the 30-minute highs, the 1 hour highs, and the 4 hour high as well. So we re-break that 4 hour high, you'll most likely see a push. All right, I think stops are getting a bit too big. We may have to delete and sit out a candle here. So I'm going to delete the buy stops, deleting the buy stops, and we are going to wait for a 15-minute candle closure here. You may see a 15-minute fake out here. So if we can get a candle to close back in the range, then we'll take our buys off of that support. Just like this, right? And we'll take our buys coming up. That's going to be a better position here for us. Much better.
She blade.
So delete the buy stops. Let's take a look at the Dow here. Oh man, look at this. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Interesting stuff here. Yeah, very interesting. If we get a 30 close below, this thing's coming downtown.
Is Powell done talking? Bro, he's still yapping.
He's still yapping, yep.
He's supposed to be done at 3.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, they did increase the rates. Yep, Tim. You're not that guy, pal. Oh, 30-minute onion here on GJ. Wasn't even paying attention to pound yet. All right, let's wait here. Let's wait on these lower time frames here. So you may get a fake out right here, fake out on the 5, possible fake out on the 15, and then we'll see. We'll see what happens. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. So far, I've not seen or heard anything to show you know 100% what is going on with the market. Yes, correct. I will never know. I'll never be the guy to tell you, hey, the market is 100% going this way or that way. What we're basing it on is previous data, right? Data that we have a setup here called a breakout, right? Very simple. You got clean traffic to the left-hand side coming up, right? Clean traffic coming up here. You also have clean traffic on the 4 hour to continue up. And then that also makes sense on the daily, right? That the daily would come up to here as well. So based off of the information that we've collected over the last 3.5 years, trading gold during the New York session, these are some setups that we've come up with that have given us about an 80, 85, some of them 90% win rate. So that's what we base it off of. But yeah, you're right, man. Never is anyone going to be 100% on market direction. All right, now I'll be right back.
Sharo. Yeah, I'll get him. Sharo, wake up.
Dabbing on him.
Arrow.
He hears me calling for him.
Hey, Chad, we chilling. Right, boys, we chilling.
Chilling. Kick back. Wait for the setup. Wait for my edge in the market. It's like you'd say. Chilling.
That's exactly what Sam said.
No reason to do anything else, though.
Right? What else could we do?
I mean, we could, like, you know, start gambling. But, like, I don't know. Like, I like to.
Yeah.
I like to follow the plan.
Facts, you're right. We can do that.
Yeah, because it's like, you know, if I follow it, then I know I'll make money in the long run.
Did someone say gamble?
No.
And it's more fun to gamble when you got strategy.
Yeah, true. What's the breakouts win rate? 85?
Yeah, 84%.
84.
Yeah, man, we took our 71st win yesterday.
Yes, sir. Yo, I wonder how. Hold on, now I'm about to do a little digging.
Let's take a look here. I think this man's done, right? Oh, it's still talking. Still talking. Interesting. Yeah, the breakout does pretty well here. We only have a few setups, right? We only have a small playbook of just a few trades, and that's how the professionals do it, so that's how we do it. Yeah, we've been on a run, though. We've been on quite the run. March, April, May, we destroyed the markets.
You gonna leave out June?
June? Oh, yeah, I didn't want to show him June. I don't want him to get too excited here.
Now, I wanted to see how many GJ makes up for it. I think 4 or 5. Pretty even, honestly.
All right. This is your own funded account? This is my Forex Funds 100K account. Okay, so we did not close below there. So we did not close below on the 15 here. Yeah, man. We may have a 1 hour celery play here. Or a 30-minute. 30-minute celery play possibly coming up. Possibly. Wish I had my 200K in June. I would have passed. There you go. Wish I was around when y'all
Yeah,
started
we're
the
honestly
live stream.
doing very well.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, like for this time of year. I don't think you guys, some of you might not understand or been around long enough to see enough market cycles, but right now is, other than like right after Christmas and New Year's, this is the slowest time of the year for the market. So, once things will get picked back up to normal speed, and so just wait on it. Just wait on it. We'll have another June. It'll be even better.
Yeah, we crushed it in June so much. We got like 5,000 subs, bro. In 1 month.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm gonna show you guys this. We got yeah, the last 28 days we've had 5,321 people sub to the channel. So W for y'all, man. Great decision, really. So we're creeping on 12K, and then we're gonna do a giveaway here at 13K, and we're gonna call out some new mods as well. We got some new mods here coming in. So if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, sub to the channel. I got $100,000 worth of challenge giveaways that I'm just looking to give out, but we got to get to 13K, and then we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Shiro's back in the building. I saw you in June and just made a decision to get the fund account. Now I'm down 4%. Yeah, isn't it funny how it works? Are those account challenge passed? Oh yeah. Yeah, this is a live account here. Live 100K. I got 400K in a challenge phase right now. With the funded trader, 95% profit splits. Looking forward to that. Where the heck is Uncle Scalp here? Where is he? Sam still got that suit on, man. Looking good, Sammy boy.
Yeah, thank you.
Cooking. He's cooking in that suit.
I'm still just listening to what Powell's talking about.
Oh,
Some
yeah?
of these people,
Okay.
like, the questions are just like, go to Congress. This dude.
Yeah, Jerome Powell's not paid at that level.
Well, they're asking questions about, like, what's going on over with, like, the war or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, what do you want him to say, bro?
Yep.
This is a Federal Reserve chairman. All right, meeting has ended.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we may get our fake out here. We may get our fake out. This means the account you will give away. What do you mean? Ain't no way. Yeah, we got $100,000 worth of challenge accounts. We're ready to give away. So we're doing that, and we also have man, it's such a hard decision with the mods, man. Such a hard decision. We got a good amount of people that are very, very committed, and it's gonna be tough, but with the mods and mine power combined, we will pick them. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Patience pays. Patience. Buy now? Sure, why not? Where is the god mod? The mod god. Do we get a 30-minute celery play here or what? Let's see what happens. That'll be perfect. What's a celery play? Oh, that's just one of the plays where, let's say this candle closes above the range, even if it is bearish, once we come up and start breaking these highs here, right? That's our entry right here. And then boom, you should see a nice push. Yeah, you may see something like this here. Gotta close above there though. Yep, and that'll be our move. That'll be the move of the day. There's greenery. What up, green? The salary play. Yeah, exactly. Yep. What could I do to get the 100K? Oh, you just got to be subbed to the channel. As long as you guys are subscribed to the channel, we're going to pick the winner from there. And by the way, thank you guys for all those sweet comments, man, on the last giveaway. Very, very nice of you. Very touching. I see you, future mods. Yep, Green knows who you are. We've all got a good feeling, right? One thing about picking a new mod is everyone should know who that mod is, right? Everyone should know, have a pretty accurate guess. Like every time we picked the mod, y'all all knew who it was, right? So there's a few contenders here. How often do you stream? Every single day, besides Saturday and Sunday. I will win the 100K.
Wait, when was the last time we gave
We
mod?
gave a
Wasn't
mod
it
out.
Red FX?
No, Austin.
Wait.
Austin.
Oh yeah. I know that.
Walston.
Yeah, I knew it was because like it's been the same
It's been a minute.
solid group.
Green MG, you in this? What up, Falcon Fair? Falcon Fair.
It's Waston.
Green's
Walston.
the Pikachu. Okay,
Here,
look at
Walston.
this. Looking good. Everything is setting up perfectly here for us. That guy TK's up next. Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Oh. Just wait on it.
Chat, who do you think is the new mods? If there was 3
Add
new
them in the
mods, who
chat.
would you say they were? Put them all in one text. 3 new mods.
Yeah.
Who are they? Everyone's typing. Bro, I want to meet you. Hey, come to Tampa in September. We're going to do a time to eat meetup. Oh, man. Oh. Gotta be Scott. Scott's already a mod. Shiro, Green, and Raja.
I just read that.
Ticket for the Barbie movie giveaway? Oh, yeah, we'll have to give away some tickets. Some movie tickets. B. Smith. Shout out to B. Smith. Hey, what up, B. Smith? Yeah, look at that. Unity.
FOMC got slow motion.
We got slow motion. Bow lifts? Yeah, we'll get him as a mod. Where's he at, by the way? I know he's creeping in the background somewhere. Waiting for his time to shine. Where is Uncle Scalp? I don't know.
He had them.
He's
some
in the
things
chat.
come up.
Yeah, he's in
He
the
wanted
chat.
to be here. He was here earlier. Yeah.
He's
In
here.
the chat.
He's always here. Bring out the whole ocean.
You guys are lucky he wasn't here, bro. He was about to go crazy. He was gonna pull up with like a
3-piece.
He said he was gonna be out wherever in this like massive office. He wouldn't even have needed a green screen, bro.
He's maxing out some credit cards. He's in a mentor session, maxing out some credit cards as we speak now. All right.
He's like, so the more you max out, the higher your score. Got it.
Oh, man. Thank you, bro. German 40. All right, yeah, we'll take a look at it here and there. Yeah, definitely. I'll have to study the pair. Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
Hey, not financial advice. Not financial advice.
Looks like we're gonna have the pretty much the same exact trade as earlier. So buy stops on the break of the highs. 30-minute celery play. Should be good to go. We shouldn't break highs and not go up. Let's put it that way. Got that payout and disappeared. Looking good. I think we may have a fake out. Yeah, we're probably going to get a fake out here on the 15. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on this 15-minute candle here. We may get a better entry here. Candle's got to close above the range though. $1,400 people here. Hey, shout out to all 1,400 of ya. Yeah, if you guys could like the stream, give the stream a like. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Come vibe out with us every day. We're here Monday through Friday. And we're just waiting on 13K subs so we could do this giveaway. We got $100,000 worth of challenge accounts that we're trying to give away here, but you guys must not want it because we're not there yet. Now we're growing really good. Very, very happy with the growth here, gang. Oh, look at this. Nice consolidation going on here on the 5-minute. Where will we go? Where will we go? Is it late? No, not right now. It's not. Yeah, those FOMC meetings just ended. And we should have volume. More volume coming in. Oh, what happened here? We closed below, right? Yeah, look at that, chat. We closed below there. Closed below on the 30-minute time frame. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Dun dun dun.
Higher win rate without overlay.
Some of y'all are funny.
Do. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. I'm in a short. Oh, nice. Good stuff. Night bot for mod. Yeah, let's see what happens here. I'm not going to take sells here. Just everything is very bullish. So.
Oh, I'm taking this off, bro.
Take it off.
Dude, Jose beat me to it. Look at my basketball. Oh.
Yeah, I got shorts on too. I don't know if you guys saw when I stood up.
Wait, you
It
can
was
still kind of
suited
see
up.
me, bro. You suited up. Button the shirt like halfway.
Where'd you get the blue light glasses? Oh, I got these on, I think on Amazon. Yeah, they're Gunner glasses. Gunner. Yeah, they're key. My new monitors actually have a blue light screen on it though, so may not even need it. I told you take entry from 1975, huh? Huh? Eh? Yeah, man. Was expecting a not much volume here. Not much volume here. Very slow. Very, very slow. I'm selling till 1969. Very nice. Good luck. I've been on here since London. Yeah, I'll probably hang tight for like one more 15-minute candle, see if we get a fake out here, and then if we do, we'll probably take some buys. If not, then call it a day. We'll call it a day. Gunner glasses, yep. That's all for me. All right, Unique. See you tomorrow. Can you explain what you see at the moment? Yeah, what I see at the moment is the daily's very bullish here, right? Weekly's very bullish, right? We have a wick to fill. Daily's very bullish as well, right? We created some sort of support here. Price continuing up. The 4-hour is very bullish as well, right? We broke the highs here. We did close slightly above this level here. So 4 hours bullish. We are pushing up. 1 hour did close above that range here, which we were looking for. And the only thing that's tripping us up now is the 30-minute time frame. So do we get a 30-minute fake out, right, to continue back up here to end the day, or are we going to range the rest of the day? That's the question. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I think we have a good idea about how this 15-minute candle closes here. And yeah, see what happens. I'll stick around for a little bit longer, and then if we get nothing, then we'll hang it up and come back tomorrow. Yep. See ya mañana. Mañana. What time is it? 3:35. I'm already long here. Oh, nice. Do you use 10 lots? I do. Yeah, I use 10 lots on the 100K account. Oh, activated. Nothing going on. Nothing's going on. About to get some steak again, man. Get some dinner going on here pretty soon. Your boy's hungry. I was trying to eat here, but if we get the fake out, we should still be able to eat some pips. If not, then it's whatever. We have to buy, right? Bay or sale? Bed stops activated soon. That's funny.
Oh.
About to get to bed. Still afternoon here in Tampa. Still got a while before bed. You guys are living in the future.
God bless you.
Wow, that's like, God, thank you. Man, I don't think I ever sneezed on stream before, and today we had 3 sneezes here. Hi, I'm a new subscriber. I lost 200 on a small account today. Hopefully to recover this week. Yeah, you should be able to get it back. Just stick with the plan. Time to eat steak. I'm with you, Nick. Yeah, word. Word. Wow, not much happening at all here. Interesting. Very interesting.
Yep. That might be it for me.
Yep.
Might have to go fire up the old Ben Frank.
The Ben Frankie.
Yeah, I'll have to show you what that is. Ben Frank. Actually, I like calling it the John Quincy Adams.
The John Quincy.
Yeah, the John Quincy. Gotta fire her up.
Watching your stream has fully changed the way I take a loss. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, because we really need to understand how to take a loss, right? Oh man, my stomach is growling. Just fired up my John Hancock.
Yes, sir, Shad.
Oh damn, it's 3:37 a.m. That's commitment, man. That's commitment. All right, yeah, a bit of a boring FOMC day here. We had that one push up, and that was about it. 4-hour rocket ship, and that's it.
Interesting. Yeah, I think that you know, based off of like what happened today was, you know, daily bias is bullish, but the news came out and the news was bearish, so really didn't do much.
Yep, nothing.
So.
Yep. Yeah, if this candle closed below, you'll most likely see a push down unless we experience somewhat of a fake out here. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it. I think that'll do it here today. If I do take a position, it'll be if this 30-minute candle closes back in the range, and I will take it right off the 30-minute time frame. But I will probably be in and out, right? Because you got the market close coming up here in a little bit. It may be worth it, it may not. It's just all about how the candle closes. If I don't take that, then we'll just come back for Asian session or London session or New York and look for the best, highest, most profitable trade setups.
Dessert.
Cool.
Cold beans.
Sound Gucci.
You guys like that? Everyone is still here though. Earlier, we could do one of those. Like, I mean, it doesn't have to be a whole thing, but give you a little introduction. See what we're looking at. I think it was funny, bro.
That was hilarious. I gotta watch that over.
Yeah, me too.
I gotta watch that. I learned a lot. Awesome. Yeah, that's what we're here for, man. We want to be able to teach and want you guys to learn things if you're new to trading or, you know, trying to become profitable. So can we get 1,000 likes before we dip out of here? Can we do that, chat? We got 1,200 people here. I think we got the power to do it. That was fun, brothers. Yeah, that was fun. Yeah, if you guys could like the stream on the way out, that's probably going to be it. We're going to call it a day here. We'll be back tomorrow. We should have some clean direction. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily's looking good to continue up. Weekly's looking really good to fill this wick here. So we got 2 days left on this weekly time frame, weekly candle. And we should have no problem doing that. All right. As long as we get them closures on the lower time frame, then we should be all good to go. So, love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys for tuning in from the NASDAQ and the stock exchange. Johnny boy, love you, buddy.
Yep, love you guys.
Boys, I'll catch you.
And I'm gone. I'm gonna be out here lifting my hands. Lord, I live my.
Hey.
All right, y'all.
Hey.
Love you guys. Y'all have a great one, all right? Thank you for joining us on this FOMC press conference. W's on the way out, chat. Love you guys. Throw some W's in the chat. Let's lift our hands in praise and let's move on with it. Later, gang. Love you guys. Peace. Just wait on it.